the Doodly support team here. Just wanted to share a quick update with you guys. So we had quite a few requests in terms of sizing the canvas or the completed content for Facebook and Instagram. We've gone ahead and added this option for you guys. So please ensure that you're on version 2.3.4 so that you'll see this update. Of course, when you open the software, it should prompt you to update. If not, you can always navigate to the members area to update the software. Now, for this new feature, let's say we want to create a new video. You'll see now the resolution options are presented here when you go ahead and click on Create New. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I've titled it Facebook and IG. If we go to the resolution dropdown, we'll see that we now have the Facebook and Instagram default option here. Now, one thing to note is that you will not be able to change the height, the width, or unselect the constrained aspect ratio. By default, it'll be 1,000 by 1,000 for Facebook and Instagram. So let's go ahead and create this, and we'll see the canvas size here. Let's go ahead and drag this in so that we can look at it. So we'll see that we've added this option in here. We can resize, do all your necessary changes. We also have the tools option here to zoom in if needed and zoom out as needed. And of course, one thing that we should note is the size of the canvas, right? So we'll see here, this is the default size for Facebook and IG. Now, you can select this option when you create the new video, or you can also go to your settings at the bottom here. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see the resolution option. You can change it here if needed. Let's say we wanted to do a custom size. Let's go ahead and do maybe 679 by 500. We can do that, and the canvas will be updated as you'll see here. We can always go back to our default Facebook and Instagram. The canvas should be updated again. So you'll see that the canvas updates. We can also, let's say we did our default, we check constraint, and let's set this to 800, apply. You'll see it changes again. And again, we'll still have the tool here to zoom in and out if needed. So those are the first two ways. So the first way is when you create a new video, you'll have the option when you're creating the new video to select your resolution. Otherwise, you can go into the settings option here and you can change it as needed under the resolution dropdown. And then the third option is when you go to export your content, you'll see the option here to set it to, Facebook or whatever desired resolution that you have. Now, the difference is when you make this, when you set the resolution when creating a new video, or if you go to the settings to set the resolution, you'll see the canvas change within the software, right? However, if you go to export and you change the resolution there, you will not see the difference in the size until you actually export your content. So those are the key differences. So if I were to do a Facebook and Instagram resolution, if that was not my original resolution set when creating the content, it won't show until I actually export the content. If this was the original, of course, it'll, stay to the defaults. So just keep that in mind when you're using this option. So this is the Facebook and Instagram option. And then, of course, you have the option of using a custom resolution if needed. As always, if there are any questions at all, please reach out to support@doodly.com, where one of our agents will be more than happy to assist you. With that said, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and I hope that your New Year's are starting off on a good start.